Earlier this week, Scotstoun Stadium, home of the Glasgow Warriors, provided the backdrop for a new Scottish Rugby partnership announcement. The sight of a lorry on the track may be an unfamiliar one, but the name on the side isn't.
Well, we are delighted to be partnering with Scottish Rugby. Irn-Bru is and our business in total, all our brands, we're really a very proud Scottish business with a long heritage in Scotland, and just as our business is, rugby is a big passion for Scots, and I think at a national and all levels down, it really just has a real sort of special place in the hearts of Scots. It's a very passionate sport. We're a very passionate business, and people are very passionate about our brand. So we think there's a lot of things that make it a very natural fit for us.
AG Bar, manufacturers of Irn-Bru and Strathmore Water, will become Scottish Rugby's official soft drinks partner.
A new partner of Scottish Rugby. It's fantastic to have an iconic brand like Irn-Bru and Strathmore Water attached to the national team and both our professional teams, Glasgow Warriors and Edinburgh Rugby. So it's a really great day to add another key partner to our growing inventory.
Bars are renowned within the marketing world for their kind of quirky and offbeat and very Scottish advertising campaigns. Was that part of the thinking at all of bringing them on board, because it may help to take rugby to a new audience?
We've been looking to secure a partnership with AG Bars and Irn-Bru for some time, and I'm absolutely thrilled that we've got someone that really knows about marketing, really knows about promoting, and we're looking forward to doing something really fun together with them. And importantly, the partnership also includes Strathmore Water. We'll be the hydration partner for the national team and for our professional athletes in Glasgow and Edinburgh. So it's going to be an exciting couple of years ahead for Scottish Rugby and Irn-Bru.
Players from Scotland, Glasgow Warriors, Edinburgh Rugby and Scotland Sevens were on hand.
Well, it's very exciting because I drink a lot of water during the day, like most of the professionals here. It's key that you constantly hydrate throughout the day and keep your hydration high, and especially after games you'll be really dehydrated, so I'm always drinking water, so it's a really good signing for Scottish Rugby and Glasgow Warriors.
Scottish Rugby and AG Bar will now be partners for the next 2 years.